Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off your activity status on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then select the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you see messages and story replies. So you want to select that. And then in the middle, you should see show activity status. So just select that. And this will just let you know, allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. You can continue to use our services if active status is turned off. So all you need to do is just toggle that off, and that will hide your activity status. Thanks for watching.